Hey everyone, it's Ashley, your independent Scentsy consultant, and today I'm going to be talking about my brick stash. So if you are not aware, Scentsy sometimes comes out in limited time collections, or you can always get them through Scentsy Club, these big pieces of wax that we call bricks. So I don't have a Scentsy bar with me, but they are like 5.5 to 6 bars in 1 cube of wax. These are like a pound of wax. So they're pretty intense. I love them. However, I need to be better about using them, and I need to start doing these check-ins to mostly check in with myself on how my bricks are coming. So I really want to get back into my inventories, and so I'm kind of revamping like my spreadsheets and whatnot. So today we're talking about bricks. Another reason I kind of want to get ahead of this is there is going to be a brick launch soon, the holiday brick event that happens typically in the fall winter time. It is coming sometime in October, and I do believe us consultants have the opportunity to purchase them early. So likely soon there's going to be more bricks in my collection, so I really want to stay on top of it. So I went through and logged all of these on a spreadsheet so I could keep track of them easier. I once before wrote them down on a piece of paper. I have no idea where the piece of paper went. Like, I need to stop using random notebooks to write things in. I need to just use my Google Drive. Like, I should have known that to begin with. So I just added this to my regular inventory sheet. I used to link it in every video, but I do actually have it on private right now. Once I revamp it, I'll probably make it public again for you guys because I know a lot of you liked to look at it. I just need to revamp it a little bit. So let's get into the bricks and how I'm doing with them. So the first one I have is Walnut, Raisin, Muffin. This has 12 full cubes in it. This is perfect for this time of year, so definitely one I'm going to start working on. Next, we also have Ghostly Greetings, one of my favorite scents that unfortunately I only have this brick and a bar and a half of, but that's okay. I do have a full brick of this, so I'll be all right. I do, however, wish I had that one in my club, but it's okay. Salted Caramel Toffee. This is another full brick. You're gonna see a lot of full bricks, and that's why I need to make this video. So this is a full one. I do have most of these bricks chopped, at least on the top row, so no excuse to not use them. Okay. Next we have Vanilla Bean Buttercream. I recently just got this through Scentsy Club, as you can see. Totally unused, but like I said, I literally just got this. I have the August sticker on it, so it is fairly new, but I would like to dip into that one. I literally just picked these two up. I got them like 2 days ago. It's Luna and Welcome Home, so they are totally full. Welcome Home is completely damaged. The whole entire lid comes off of it, so this is definitely one I want to prioritize, but it just came to me that way the other day, so it's very, very new, but I do want to prioritize that one because of its lid. Okay, so that was the first 6. Let's get into the next 6. So these two are the exact same. They're both Marshmallow Mint Cocoa. One I bought regular in November, and then this one I picked up in the clearance section. So this one has 8.5 cubes, and then this one is a full one. This is definitely one I will be using during the Christmas time. However, I could use this in my bedroom at any point just because of that mint. I really do like mint scents in the bedroom, and so I think, honestly, I could use this anytime in the bedroom. I should probably start trying to incorporate it just a little bit there. I have 2 more bricks that are the same. They are Crimson Berry Christmas. So once again, this one I got during the regular brick launch in last November, and then this one I did pick up in the clearance. So this one has 9 cubes, and then this one is completely full. This one I do need to chop this next level, but this is probably one I'll specifically work on around Christmas time. It really reminds me of Bath & Body Works' 'Tis the Season, and I really, really enjoy it, so it's definitely one I like to have going around Christmas time. One of my favorite bricks, I don't know why, it's so simple, but I absolutely love it. It's Sugar Cookie. So I also picked this one up during Scentsy Club, you can tell. I got it in February, it looks like, and I've used the top row For some reason, in my home, generally, this doesn't necessarily perform, but at my workplace, it's a boomer. It performs so well at my job. I really don't know why. So I did cut the next row. Because this is such a large piece of wax, I find it hard to just bring this back and forth to work with me. So what I typically do is just drop a couple of cubes. I have these cut into fourths. So I'll take it like just two, put them in a little Ziploc bag, bring them in my bag to work, and then immediately drop them into the warmers, and it seems to work okay, as opposed to bringing this whole hunk of wax. I did have this whole thing of wax at work at one point, and it takes up a lot of room. I don't like leaving these, like my wax stuff, on my desk, just because I don't want anybody to walk away with it, completely honest. So I typically will put it in my drawers. This was taking a ton of room in my drawers. I kind of had it on top of my file folders, so every time I needed a file folder, I had to kind of move it around. It's so big. Also, my work is not very regulated for the temperature. They do shut off the AC and heat systems completely on the weekends when no one's there. So depending what the situation is outside, like it can get up to like pretty hot if it's during the summer and then the AC is not running. And so some of my bars there get extremely sweaty just because it's so warm. So I didn't want to just leave this whole brick there for that reason, so I ended up bringing it back home. And it's been doing a lot better now since it's been home. I'd rather have it here, and I don't mind bringing the pieces to work just as I need them, but it's just a little bit too big of a piece of wax to fully bring into my desk at work. I hope that makes sense. So the last two I have are Arctic Kiss. So this one I got in November. This was the first scent of the month I got as a consultant. So it is kind of nostalgic for me, but I really do love this scent. This one I have 7.5 cubes of. They're kind of chopped up and all over the place, but it does equate to 7.5. And then I do have this full one that I did pick up in clearance in February. So those are the 12 bricks I have. Like I said, I will likely be getting some more bricks soon, just being a consultant and wanting to be able to sample them out to my customers, etc. So probably a few more bricks adding to this stash. Let me know how often you'd like to see these. Do you want to see them monthly, bi-monthly, quarterly? Let me know. I'll probably keep track monthly just to stay on top of it. I really like to do my inventories monthly back when I was better about doing them. So let me know what you think. I would love to hear. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.